So I'm Julian Raby. I'm one of the 3 artistic directors for the Islamic Arts Biennale that's going to open in Jeddah in January 2025. So in the first Biennale, we didn't concentrate on Islamic arts, but more on the art of being a Muslim. This time, what we're trying to do in Al-Bidayah is to go, if you like, one stage, conceptually one stage further. So Al-Bidayah divides into 2 sections. The first is the sacred in objects, and the second continues the theme of the sacred beyond objects. It's the intangible. So what you need to appreciate is that what makes this Biennale exceptional is its location. I'm actually talking about its location near Jeddah and above all as the gateway to Mecca. That location and the fact that some of the greatest things in Saudi government collections are items from Mecca and Madinah. The other aspect that makes the Biennale so extraordinary is that we have both historic objects and contemporary. I've chosen not to do something that has occasionally been done, which is to actually mix the 2 next to each other. And the reason for that is that the sacred objects I'm talking about are objects solely from Mecca and Madinah. The second theme that I'm interested in, which is the, if you like, beyond objects, it's the sacred in the intangible, is only possible because we have contemporary artists. So really my section, the Bidayah, divides into a section of historic objects and a section of contemporary. So if you like, Al-Bidayah takes the theme of wa ma بينهما with the implicit element of samawat wal ard. So essentially there are 5 internal spaces, and they divide into 3 sections: Al-Bidayah, Al-Madar, and Al-Muqtani. The heart in Al-Bidayah, the mind in Al-Madar, and the hand in Al-Muqtani. So heart, mind, hand. So that's the overall journey. The way in which we're going to display them, as well as where they come from, will, I think, fill people with a sense of awe immediately. So one element we haven't talked about is a new element this year, this edition, and that's the Al-Musalla Prize. And this is actually an international competition. I think it had about 100 applicants, and then they shortlisted 5. They had an international jury, and now they've chosen a winner. Musalla, that this winning architectural practice has designed, will be constructed in time for the Biennale.